get started as soon as courtroom 2 comes on with us.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hope you all are doing well this morning.
Morning, Judge.
Morning, Mr. White. Who do we have first?
We have, you ready for Tucker? Okay.
No,
Woods, ready for Woods?
yeah,
I'm come on, Woods. Number 48 and 49, Mr. Kelvin Woods.
Okay. Good morning, Ms. Rainford. What are we doing with Mr. Woods this morning?
Mr. Woods is this Calvin Woods?
Yeah.
Calvin Woods is a not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay, do you want me to arraign him?
Yes,
Good morning, Mr. Woods. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You can place your hand down, Mr. Woods. You've been charged in case 25 CR 005553E with loitering and prowling. This charge carries with it a maximum of 12 months in jail and or $1,000 fine. It's my understanding that you're pleading not guilty to this charge.
Yes, sir.
Your case will be returned to the division judge. You'll get notification of your next hearing date, sir. Good luck to you.
All right. 39, Mr. Statham.
Your Honor, the state's requesting a reset on this matter. We're waiting to hear back from the DA about a felony transfer.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Spear.
Good morning, Your Honor. I apologize.
No, you're fine. Do you expect to hear by next week this time?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Rainford will reset Mr. Statham for 1 week. Either it will he'll be on next week's calendar, or if it's accepted by the DA, he'll get notice of his next hearing date.
thank you.
Thank you.
All right, and I believe that what date is that? That's January.
The 6th, Judge.
Okay, thank you. January 6th.
Next we go 37 and 38, Mr. Spear.
And this will be a negotiated plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Spear. I'm Judge Eric Mara. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Spear. You can place your hand down. Yes, Ms. Spear.
No relation. In case ending in 8090 for the criminal trespass, we're asking for 12 months probation, 30 days to serve with credit for any time already served, spent. Stay away from MARTA. In the case ending in 0800 criminal trespass, we're asking for 12 months probation consecutive, 30 days to serve with credit for any time already served, and to stay away from the Quick Trip at 761 Sydney Marcus Boulevard. That's it. Thank you.
Rainford.
Yes, Your Honor. We just also be asking if you would waive the first couple months of the probation fees for my client, Your Honor.
Does he have any requirements of being on probation?
Repeat that, Your Honor?
Does he have any requirements for being on probation?
No, the only thing we have is the stay away, Your Honor.
Right, so it's my understanding that this will be a now it's suspended,
Yes.
Ms. Rainford, so he won't be on probation, so he won't need any fees waived. Right?
Okay.
All right. Mr. Spear, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008090H, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass, and in case 25 CR 008000H, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning? Say it again for me.
No, sir.
Okay. You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Mr. Spear, good luck to you.
All right, you have a great day.
You do the same, sir.
It's got 41, Mr. Terry.
Also a negotiated plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Terry. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir?
Good
Do you
morning.
swear- Good morning, sir. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you can place your hand down. Thank you. Yes, Ms. Spear.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. The state's requesting 12 months probation, 60 days to serve with credit for any time already served. No further contact with the victim, Tierra, Teirra Reed, REID. Stay away from the villas at Autumn Hills located at 4483 Flat Shoals Road. We have spoken with the victim. She agrees with the plea offer and also has a TPO in place. As there are, 3 previous cases between Mr. Terry and Miss Reed. That is all. Thank you.
Ms. Rainford.
Your Honor, it's also my understanding that my client lives in the complex. He mentioned to me that he has a different unit, that he doesn't live in the same unit as the alleged victim, but he does live at the complex, and so the stay away from the villas is our only concern. He mentioned to me that he does plan to be moving to his brother's house shortly, once he's released. So I would just be asking that he is allowed to at least return to the complex to collect whatever belongings he needs to get from his unit. And then he'll be able to move out, and then the stay away can be in effect. But as of right now, he just needs a little time before he's completely banned from that complex.
Is he on a lease agreement with that complex for his own personal unit?
What is it? What is it for your unit? Do you have a lease?
No,
So
no. I
how,
stay with my sister. I just stay with my sister.
so the unit is your sister's?
Yes, ma'am.
So the unit is his sister's, Your Honor, but he does have belongings there that he mentioned to me that he needed to collect.
Okay, so I'll either, have him collect his, articles through a third party, or I can give him a one-time, police escort to go back. If he wants to have it done through a third party, have his sister or whomever bring it to wherever he is, going to reside, that's fine with the court. If he wants to go himself with the sheriff, that's fine with the court as well.
Third party is fine, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'll allow third-party transfer of his belongings to his new location. Okay? Anything further before I take the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Terry, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008054J, you wish to plead guilty to terroristic threats and acts. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Terry. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Probated, I just know
Alright.
conditions needed.
Right.
Yeah, number 23, Mr. Kendrick.
Credit for time, suspended. Say it again for me, I'm sorry.
23, Mr. Kendrick.
Thank you. Also a negotiated plea, Mr. White.
That's correct, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Kendrick. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please? Thank you, sir. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Say it again for me.
No.
Okay, thank you. You can place your hand down, Mr. Kendrick. Yes, Ms. Spear.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. State's requesting 12 months probation, 30 days to serve with credit for any time already served. Stay away from the Chevron at 4485 Washington Road. Nothing further. Thank you.
White.
And Your Honor, I was assuming this was a battle suspended, not probated, since there's nothing to do other than to stay away. So
Correct.
Okay.
nothing further, Judge.
Mr. Kendrick, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008046C, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Kendrick. Does he require any assistance with housing? Do
I'll
you
check,
know-
Judge. We have a social worker here that can speak with him. He does.
Okay, so if you have some problems with housing, Mr. Kendrick, we'll have someone speak with you, okay?
All right. All right.
Good luck to you, sir.
That, 5 and 6, Mr. Barnes.
Negotiated plea as well, Judge.
Thank you.
I want you to game.
Good morning, Mr. Barnes. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Say it again for me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You can place your hand down, Mr. Barnes. Ms. Spear?
Yes, Your Honor. In the case ending in 08125, battery family violence, state's recommending 12 months probation, 15 days to serve with credit for any time already served, the balance probated for anger management or anger awareness courses. No further contact with the victim, Tanel, Tanell Gardner. Stay away from 1093 Mason Turner Road in Northwest Atlanta. In the case ending in 8126 obstruction. We're asking for 12 months probation to run concurrent, credit for any time served, and the $300 statutory fine. Nothing further.
It was my understanding that a plea to battery family violence required the FVIP program. Is that not correct?
Oh, it is, Your Honor. You are correct. I don't know why it's not on my sheet, but yes, you are correct. It should be the FBIP. Mr. White, I apologize if that's gonna throw everything off.
You're gonna need a second. Judge.
Okay, you
Okay.
need some time? Go ahead. If you can mute yourself.
We're still going forward, Judge.
Okay. Anything further?
Judge, we would ask to waive 4 months of the probation fees and allows probation to go non-reporting once he completes all the requirements.
Mr. Barnes, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008125D, you wish to plead guilty to battery family violence, and in case 25 CR 008126D, you wish to plead guilty to willful obstruction of law enforcement officers. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning? You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Oh, yes, sir, I understand.
I'm sorry, say it again?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay, thank you. Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
Oh, no.
Okay, I'll accept the pleas as negotiated. Mr. Barnes, I will waive 6 months of your probation fees. That should help you get through that FVIP course. And once you complete all the requirements, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. So the sooner you get it done, the sooner you won't be on reporting probation. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Fine is $300.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, next we got number 20, Mr. Frost.
Negotiated plea, Judge.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Frost. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the State on Purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you, sir. Yes, Ms. Spear.
Yes, Your Honor. Case ending 8030, criminal trespass. The state's requesting 12 months probation, 90 days to serve with credit for any time already served. The balance will be suspended as we're only asking for the stay away from 3110 Godby Road. Nothing further. Thank you.
Right.
Your Honor, we just accept the plea as negotiated.
And this 3110 Godby Road, is that a business, Ms. Spear?
It's an apartment complex. They don't really have a fancy name, you know, like the villas at whatever. It just gives a street address.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Frost, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008030B, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
No, sir.
Listen to my question. You have a right to a trial by jury,
Oh,
but because you're pleading guilty, you're giving that right up. Do you understand that?
yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to plead guilty?
Forced you.
No, sir.
Okay, I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Frost. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Who do we have next?
Number 7, Mr. Bell.
Also a negotiated plea.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Bell. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is a state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Thank you. Place your hand down, Mr. Bell. Ms. Spear.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. On the disorderly conduct, I believe it's count one, 12 months probation, credit for time served. No further contact with the victim, Marta, employee, last name Ball, B-A-L-L. And to stay away from Marta, he does have a permanent ban. On the criminal trespass, we're asking for 12 months concurrent, but as we're only asking for the stay away, it'll be suspended. Nothing further. Thank you.
Right.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Just-
Mr. Bell, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008028C, you wish to plead guilty to disorderly conduct and criminal trespass. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Mr. Bell, you understand that you cannot go back to MARTA because you have a permanent ban. If you go back there, you'll get picked up again. So don't go back to MARTA. All right.
Yes,
Good luck
sir.
to you, sir.
Yes.
Right, roll call.
Who do we have next?
Okay. Is the conflict attorney on?
I don't think so. Ms. Strong, good morning. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Who do we have as the conflict attorney today? Do you know?
If anybody, it would be Mr. Murphy because Ms. McLeod hasn't returned yet. Which position needed the conflict?
17, 18, 19, 25, 28, 29, 32.
Okay, let me go through.
And Ms. McLeod was with me yesterday at the SCA.
Oh, was she? I'm sorry. I didn't know she was back yet. I was off yesterday. So give me a moment, Judge. I'll follow up.
Okay, I appreciate it.
No
And
problem.
it might be Mr. Murphy as well. I'm not sure, so.
Okay.
Number 7 was balance suspended, correct?
Yes.
You can do mine next.
Anyone that we can,
Yeah, we can, we're gonna do number 27, Mr. Mosley.
okay, thank you.
Good.
And this is also a negotiated plea, Ms. Rainford.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Mosley. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir?
What's more?
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you, sir. You don't have to sound the charge, Ms. Spear.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. In case ending 8060, we're asking for 12 months probation, credit for time served, and the stay away from Los Cabos Bar and Grill at 10479 Alpharetta Highway, as that's our only request. The balance would be suspended. Nothing further. Thank you.
Ms. Rainford,
Nothing further, Your Honor.
does Mr. Mosley require a social worker to assist him with housing or anything of that nature?
No.
Okay. Mr. Mosley, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008060H, you wish to plead guilty to one misdemeanor offense. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, yeah. All right, go ahead, ACDC.
Your Honor, we have position 16, Ms. Flanagan.
Okay, thank you. This is a negotiated plea, Ms. Rainford?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning, Ms. Flanagan. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. You can place your hand down. Yes, Ms. Spear.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. On count one, we're asking for 12 months probation, 30 days to serve with credit for time served. Balance probated, MHET, and the FEIP. On count two and count three, the statutory $300 fines. Count four, 12 months probation to run consecutive to count one. And count five, 12 months probation to run concurrent. We were unable to reach the victim, Nathaniel Robinson. Your Honor, if you would sound for him. Nothing further. Thank you.
What is the last name again?
Robinson.
Robinson.
Okay.
I didn't see him on, but just in case.
Mr. Robinson is on the line and wishes to address the court. Now is your opportunity. Does not appear so. Ms. Rainford?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd just be asking for probation fees to be waived since she has to do the FVIP program and pay the other fines, Your Honor.
Would she prefer community service as opposed to the fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sister? Okay, so for each of the $300 fines, it will be 30 hours of community service instead.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And if nothing further, Ms. Flanagan, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008053A, you wish to plead guilty to simple battery, family violence, simple battery against a police officer, willful obstruction of law enforcement officers, cruelty to children in the third degree, and terroristic threats and acts. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced you or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Ms. Flanagan. I will waive 6 months of your probation fees to help you get on your feet. And once you complete the terms of the probation, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. So the sooner you get everything done, the sooner you won't be on reporting probation. Good luck
Yes,
to
sir.
you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't see from this case.
Next, we have position 31, Ms. Robinson.
Also a negotiated plea, Ms. Rainford.
Yes, Your Honor. What did you say, Your Honor?
Just one moment, Ms. Robinson. I was addressing Ms. Rainford, okay?
Yes,
sorry.
negotiated plea, Your Honor.
We fine. Okay, so it will be a negotiated plea. Good morning, Ms. Robinson. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Ms. Spear.
Yes, Your Honor, we're asking for 12 months probation, 30 days to serve with credit for any time already served, 40 hours with community service, and no further contact with Nurse Deborah Thomas. She works at Grady. Because she is a nurse at Grady, obviously we will allow for medical emergencies if it's required to have contact, but non-medical emergencies, no further contact with the nurse. And I don't recall if I saw her or not, but if Your Honor would sound for Nurse Deborah Thomas.
Ms. Thomas is on the line and wishes to address the court. Now is your opportunity.
Or we can ask the judge.
Does not appear so. Yes, Ms. Rainford.
Once she's finished with the community service, Your Honor, we'd be asking if the balance of probation could be suspended.
Any objection, Ms. Spear?
Since it's a simple battery, yeah, I think we can maybe consent to non-reporting, but I don't know that we could suspend.
Okay. Robinson, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008019F, you wish to plead guilty to simple battery, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, Your Honor.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Once you complete the community service, I will have it go to a non-reporting status. So the sooner you get it done, the sooner you won't be on reporting probation and have to pay those fees, okay?
All right,
Good
thank
luck.
you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
All right, next we have number 30, Mr. Phillips.
Sure. Okay.
Also a negotiated plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Phillips. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Good morning. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You can place your hand down, sir. Ms. Spear?
Yes, Your Honor. State's requesting 12 months probation, 30 days to serve with credit for any time already served. No further contact with the victim, Churchill William. Stay away from 1105 Arlington Avenue and 8 anger management courses. We were unable to contact the victim, Churchill William. Nothing further. Thank you.
Mr. Williams is on the line and wishes to address the court. Now's your opportunity. Does not appear so. Yes, Ms. Rainey.
We'd just be asking that he goes non-reporting once he's completed the anger awareness class, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Phillips, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008045C, you wish to plead guilty to terroristic threats and acts. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Phillips. When you complete the terms, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, sir.
It's time, sir. We're going home today,
Okay, let's get on it out.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, good luck to you, Mr. Phillips.
All right. And then we have 44 and 45, Mr. Vereen.
Also a negotiated plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Vereen. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. Good morning, sir. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You can place your hand down. Spear?
Yes, Your Honor. In case ending 1130, count 1 criminal trespass, the state's requesting 12 months probation, 10 days to serve with credit for any time already served. We are asking that restitution remain open for 30 days so that we can gather receipts for the damages. On count 2, we are asking for the statutory $300 fine. In the case ending 2424, it is an FTA. We will null process that in exchange for the plea to case 1130. Nothing further. Thank you.
What's the restitution for?
I believe it was for the doors, but let me double check.
Say it again. I'm sorry. It's great.
No, no, that's okay. Count two, she was, running concurrent 12 months for count one. But she don't have nothing to do that.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Yes, front and rear doors. He kicked in both.
Okay. And count two is gonna run concurrent? Count
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
All right. Ms. Rainford?
Yes, Your Honor. My client is unemployed, so I was wondering if we could do community service instead of the fines, Your Honor. And then for him to go non-reporting after he's completed his community service.
Okay. Does he need assistance with housing?
No, Your Honor, he mentioned that he has a shelter that he will be going to.
Okay. So I will convert the $300 fine to 30 hours of community service. Mr. Vereen, it's my understanding that in case 24 CR 001130C, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass and damage to property and willful obstruction of law enforcement officers. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Mr. Vereen, let's see, I will waive 3 months of probation fees to help you get on your feet. And when you complete the terms of the probation, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. So if you get it all done within that first 3 months, you won't have to pay any fees.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Good luck to you, Mr. Vereen.
Mm.
Mr. White, position number 15, Mr. Danley, I have down that that's gonna be a waiver today, is that correct?
Correct, Judge.
Okay, I just have his wife, or his husband, Thomas Danley on the, that sent Christy Danley. So Ms. Danley, your husband's case is gonna be returned to the division judge. You'll get notification of his next hearing date. I believe that was your question, ma'am. Who do we have next?
Number 13, Mr. Camacho.
Also a negotiated plea.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Camacho. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you, sir. Ms. Spear?
Yes, Your Honor. The state's asking for 12 months probation, credit for any time already served on this matter, $85 in restitution. Stay away from the SL Nail Salon and Spa. No further contact with the victim, Maria Nguyen, that is spelled Nguyen. Nothing further. Thank you.
Right.
Your Honor, we just asked you to waive 2 months of probation fees so they can apply that to the restitution and ask that his probation terminate once he does pay that restitution.
Okay. Mr. Camacho, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 008082J, you wish to plead guilty to theft of service. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated, Mr. Camacho. I will waive 2 months of the probation fees, and once you complete the terms, I'll have it terminate. So the sooner you get it done, the sooner you won't be on probation. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
And next we got 46-47, Mr. Woods.
What are we doing with Mr. Woods this morning, Ms. Rainford?
Negotiated plea, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Woods. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
That's all.
Thank you. You can place your hand down. Ms. Spear.
Yes, Your Honor, for case ending 5769 obstruction, state's requesting 12 months probation, 30 days to serve with credit for any time already served, and the statutory $300 fine. Case ending 2421 is an FTA. We will null process that in exchange for the plea to the case ending 5769. Nothing further. Thank you.
Ms. Rainford.
Your Honor, we'd just be asking that the balance is suspended once he pays the fine.
Okay. Mr. Woods, it's my understanding that in case 24 CR 005769H, you wish to plead guilty to willful obstruction of law enforcement officers. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with your representation?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge and that by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Ms. Spear, what was the obstruction?
Give me just a second and I will find. Oh, yes, I recall now, Your Honor. This is part of a larger incident regarding a potential firearm in a home. Officers tried to sweep the home, get everybody out of it so that they could search for the alleged weapon. He was told, do not go back in the home. He ignored officers, went back in. When he came back out, he had actually had the weapon on him, potentially to remove it from the scene or hide it somehow.
Okay, thank you. I'll accept the plea as negotiated. When you complete the terms of the probation, Mr. Woods, I'll have it terminate. Good luck to you, sir.
Number 33 and 34, Mr. Scott.
What are we doing for Mr. Scott this morning?
Negotiated plea.
Good. Yes, good morning. Mr. Scott, I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can place your hand down. Yes, Ms. Spear.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. Case ending 9290, criminal trespass. The state requests 12 months probation, credit for time served. Stay away from 654 Boulevard and MHET. In case ending 7573, criminal trespass. We are asking for 12 months probation consecutive to the previous case. Further stay away from 654 Boulevard. Count 2, the weapon without a valid license. We are asking for 50 hours of community service. Nothing further. Thank you.
Your Honor, we'd just be asking if the balance could be suspended after he completes the community service.
This is all the way back from 2018.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm not gonna require the 50 hours of community service. I'm just going to have balance suspended on that one. I'll have balance probated on position 33 so he can get through the MHET. Once he completes the MHET, I'll have it terminate.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. With that, Mr. Scott, it's my understanding that in case 19 CR 009290Y, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass. And in case 21 CR 007573B, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass and carrying a weapon without a valid license. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at the present time?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
That's not illegal anymore, and there's no sunset provision that should be dismissed. Judge, I'm sorry, I didn't realize this was carrying a weapon without a license charge. That's no longer illegal and there's no sunset provision. This case should be Dahlpros.
Ms. Spear?
As we're not, there's no penalty involved, as Your Honor has agreed to get rid of the 50 hours community service. I can now cross the one charge. That's fine.
Okay, so he's only pleading guilty to criminal trespass in both of these cases and the carrying a weapon without a valid license, the state's going to know us. Am I understanding correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So let me just start from the beginning. Mr. Scott, it's my understanding that in case 19 CR 009290Y, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass, and in case 21 CR 007573B, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept the plea. Mr. Scott, let's see. When you complete the terms, when you have the MHET completed, I will have the probation terminate. I will waive 2 months of probation fees to help you get through that. And balance is suspended for position 34, so that should not be a problem. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, at 43, Mr. Tucker. Sorry, this stuff.
What are we doing, Ms. Tucker, this morning?
Your Honor, so I'm only seeing a failure to appear, and it was saying credit for time served, but there's not another charge, Your Honor, so I was wondering if this could just be dismissed.
Yeah. We can dismiss it, that's fine.
Okay,
Thank you.
all right, Mr. Tucker.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you, sir.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm sorry, this was Allison Tucker, 42?
Yes.
Oh yeah, why is it?
So they're dismissing the criminal trespass?
We don't print a criminal trespass on our calendar, just the failure to appear.
The position 42 is not on the calendar. It looks like it goes from 41 to 43.
You're right.
Allison Tucker has a criminal trespass, and the FTA was for that particular charge.
Okay. So usually we get rid of the FTA and a plea to the criminal trespass. Did it just get left off? Do we know what happened to the criminal trespass?
I'm not sure how, but I'm not sure if it got left off, but on Odyssey,
Yeah.
it shows position number 42 as 25 CR 000088F for Allison Tucker.
Go ahead and all process that too for judicial expediency. We're gonna have to reset the whole thing.
I'll tell you what, I'll at least look at it to see if we can.
Okay.
So we're holding off on that?
Yes. Anyone else that we can take in the meantime?
Unless the conflict attorney is on, then I will get one more for medical real quick.
Okay.
Just a quick announcement. Position 1, we had down it for a plea. We're actually resetting that for 1 week. He is going to think about it and try to postpone.
Okay, so that's reset till next Tuesday at 1/6, I believe.
That's correct, Judge.
Positions 1 and 2.
I have waiver cases if you want to go through those, Judge.
Let's see, which other cases are you filing waivers for, Ms. Rainford?
Position 26, Your Honor. And position,
Okay, let me, 26, Miller is gonna be a waiver. Okay. Any others?
yes, Your Honor, 1 second, trying to go through the calendar really quickly.
You also have positions 35 and 36.
I think, yeah, that's the next ones that are gonna be waived.
Okay. So position 35 and 36, Christopher Snipes, be waivers as well. Ms. Strong, are you with me?
Or one of the things, do clean it one day out of the week, and then they'll just try to. So they let it know that Tuesday or Thursday. So they gonna be. So once they confirm the day out.
What if we do credit for time served on Allison Tucker and null pros the FTA? It's a trespass against MARTA. So it would be a stay away from MARTA.
I already did the from the stay with you, I was 30 days from so I was.
He mentioned that he, the stay away order was for 30 days and he he's already stayed away from MARTA for 30 days. Go ahead, Ms. Fair.
Let's see. Okay, so then we will just do credit for time served on that one. It does say that it expired on February 14th of this year.
Or we can just say abide by any active MARTA suspensions.
Yeah, that's fair.
If they're not there, don't worry about it.
Okay, I was like, okay.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay. Can someone give me the case number, please?
25 CR 000088F.
Okay, and Ms. Rainford, how does your client wish for the court to address?
The credit for time served is fine, Your Honor.
Answer, please, just
Okay.
say that way, Judge.
And what pronoun should the court use?
She, no.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Tucker, it's my understanding, I'm Judge Eric Moore. This is the state all-purpose calendar. Will you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you.
Welcome.
Anything further on this, Ms. Spear?
No, it was just I think it was a 30 to 60 day suspension. He violated by going back, nothing spectacular or unique.
Okay. Anything further, Ms. Rainford?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Tucker, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 000088F, you wish to plead guilty to criminal trespass. Is that correct?
Correct.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol this morning?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with her representation?
Very satisfying.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, and not by pleading guilty to it. You're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced or coerced you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Good luck to you, Ms. Tucker.
And it's just a
Thank
time
you.
served, Judge, with the stay away from MARTA still.
No, just the abide by any MARTA suspensions, active MARTA suspensions. Ms. Strong, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
For the 11 o'clock DV bench warrant calendar, would you see if that person, I believe we have one on that calendar, if that person can jump on a little early for us?
Sure. And I've reached out to Mr. Murphy again and I haven't gotten a response, Judge.
Okay. Well, it's right at 10 o'clock. Are Mr. Murphy's cases the only cases that are left? Courtroom 2?
Judge, 17, 18, 19, and 25 are listed as Mr. Murphy's. We do have position 32 just listed as conflict, so I'm not sure who that case would belong to. But yes, 3 cases are Mr. Murphy's.
Okay. What are we doing with position 21, Mr. White, Sharnae Hubbard?
We're waiting on Ms. Hubbard to come to the courtroom, so I can speak with her.
Okay.
She's in the observation unit here. I was unable to speak with her yesterday. But they said they're getting her.
Okay, so we're waiting on Hubbard, and we're also, have we 35 and 36, Christopher Snipes, have we addressed that?
Yes. That
Okay.
was,
Oh, yes.
We said, Judge.
That was the waiver, Your
Those
Honor.
are the waivers, okay. Okay, so we'll hold for for Shawnee Hubbard. If Mr. Murphy joins us in a reasonable time, then we'll take his cases. Otherwise, we'll reset them 1 week, I guess. And then we do have the 11 o'clock DB bench warrant calendar. So if that person can jump on early, we can take that. So I guess we'll be in recess until someone's ready to, until Hubbard's ready to proceed.
First parent report, and so they changed the superior court, so weapon. Pass that law. People have been charged with that crime for years. And a lot of states, like Cleveland, unless it's put in. Legal minutes. All those cases are moved.
That makes sense.
So we trying to figure out the before we get to looking at this, that I really discharged.
Yeah, that was confusing.
Yeah, two different cases, neither one of the dates matched up on one. That happens a lot.
It's like maybe I'm confused.
They get a sick.
Better, maybe not a pair of eyes.
That's fine, especially when figuring out that case is whole, right, 6 years ago, he's dealing, but you were also learn out. Today, that's it, the case.
Yeah. So. And that's what I was like asking to yesterday, like, did you get a signature?
Right. They work out where they need. No matter, they don't listen, once they same thing with them.
Okay, yeah, good.
All this stuff that you got.
Judge, she'll be on in just a moment.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a seat, my man.
Hey, go back down in the blue chair. Hey, go back in the blue chair. I'll fix the chair. Hey.
And I'm small. I don't know that.
Yes.
Oh, so you better.
I know the- Better with
Faces.
at least first.
Judge, I've got a question for, ASG Spear. My calendar just has position 21 and then skips to 23. I have that there are 2 positions for Ms. Hubbard. But I only have an offer for position 21, nothing on 22.
Oh, you're right. Mine does the same. Let me take a look, see if I can figure out what happened.
And also, Ms. Hubbard is saying that she has already pled a couple of weeks ago at SAP on position 21. I don't know if somebody could check on that for me.
Yeah, I know that.
All right, let's see what we can do.
Okay.
Not for position number 21. She was just on the C calendar on the 1st. So she was reset to this calendar from that calendar. That's a long time though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. She said it was just a couple of weeks ago.
Hold on a second. It looks like she was reset for something on the 2nd. I mean on the 16th too. Give me a moment.
Okay.
Does she go by something else?
You have a name? Been ever arrested under any other name? Shaking her head no.
Okay, give me a moment to look into it because I see a note, some that says it was reset for the 16th, but I don't see her name on the 16th. I only see today's date. So give me one moment.
Oh, thank you, Ms. Green.
Okay, Mr. White, it looks like she has 2 charges. And the previous one that she was arrested for on and went on the C calendar on the 1st was reset for maybe the 16th. Well, she was on the C calendar again for a new charge on the 15th, and that's why both of them were reset for today. So she has not taken a plea on these cases yet.
Okay. She said, I mean, she told me that she got probation and never got any paperwork, but okay, I'll talk to her and see if we can figure it out. Thank you. And then, oh, by the way, Ms. Spear, do we have like an offer on 22?
I just found it. It's the civil battery family violence. So let me just take a look at it real quick and I'll get you something for sure.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. White, it's me. I'm back. She took a plea on simple battery and terroristic threats on November the 25th
Okay.
before Judge Morrow.
Okay.
And so now she has 2 more cases.
Mr. White, is she in need of a social worker visit, BHET or MHET?
I'm not picking up that vibe.
Okay.
But we can have someone speak with her.
She has an interesting history, hence my questioning. Okay, Mr. White. This particular instance isn't bad, but her history is. We'll do 12 months probation, 12 anger management, 90 days to serve, credit for time served. Stay away from 3072 Washington Road, the incident location.
The 90 days, 12 weeks, stay away, no further contact. So,
Yep.
okay. Give me a minute.
Judge Morrow, Ms. Shabazz is on now.
And this is, I've got Carmen Sierra.
Yes, sir, that's her.
Okay. Can you unmute yourself there for me, Ms. Sierra? We can't hear you because you're on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you now. Good.
Okay, good morning. I am
morning.
Carmen Iris Sierra Shabazz.
Okay, yes, Ms. Sierra Shabazz. I'm gonna have you speak with one of the public defenders, so that they can represent you on this matter this morning. So if you wouldn't mind, are you able to place your phone number to the chat for me?
Let me see. Let me get to the chat. I'm used to Teams, but I could do this. There's a chat right there. Okay, and I'm placing my phone number in there, you said?
Yes, if you would, and I'll have
I
someone
sure am.
reach out to you. Ms. Rainford, are you still in
Okay.
courtroom? Ms. Would you mind, this is, Ms. Sierra Shabazz. Would you mind, who's on the, DV bench warrant calendar who joined us a little early, would you mind speaking with her?
Sure.
Okay, she has placed, are you able to get to the chat feature or not, Ms. Rainford?
Yes.
Okay, she's placed her number in the chat. If you wouldn't mind, giving her a call, I'd appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you for that. I appreciate that.
Yes, ma'am, we'll be with you. So if you want to go ahead and mute yourself, make sure you take the phone call when it comes in.
Okay, mute myself though now.
Yes.
Okay, all right, no
So
worries.
so that you can have a private conversation. This is
Okay.
Ms. Rainford, who is a public defender. Okay.
Judge, we're ready on positions 21 and 22. Ms. Hubbard, she will be entering a plea mostly negotiated.
Okay, so as you always said, on my calendar, I only have position 21. What is position 22? What's the charge and the case number?
It's another simple battery, Your Honor, case number 25CR 008033. It's a simple battery family violence.
Division C, Judge.
Okay.
And this is Ms. Hubbard. Sure, I'm about to say this stuff. So it has.
And what is the state's recommendation on position 22?
We're asking for 12 months probation, 12 anger management / anger awareness courses, 90 days to serve, credit for any time already served. Stay away from 3072 Washington Avenue. No further contact with the victim, Aquinas Barber. Nothing further on that matter, Your Honor.
Okay, wait.
And Mr. White, what's not negotiated about that?
Actually, Judge, we were just asking you on position 21 to suspend the $300 fine. She's unable to do community service and has no real income as well. She's confined to a wheelchair. So we were just asking to sentence her, but then suspend it.
Ms. Spear, what was the obstruction?
Let me double check.
Okay, so you missed it because it was ready.
They don't have to start this over. From these cases. Thank you.
Yeah, I just criticized myself. She said, they don't tell them my computer, but it was 1,500 at the door, but you got roadside balance and all those stuff that come with it, their life. And you can tell the difference and have a big difference with commission that
Okay, so what were your dates?
She did willfully resist arrest by actively pulling away from the officer while attempting to place her under arrest.
Okay. Good morning, Ms. Hubbard. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar, ma'am. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can place your hand down. Thank you, Ms. Hubbard. Ms. Spear, would you go through again the recommendations, so that, Ms. Grace can get those
Absolutely.
down for me? So we'll start with position 21.
Okay, position 21, case ending 7668C. States requesting on count 1 obstruction, 12 months probation, operation 21, and the statutory $300 fine. On count 2 criminal trespass, 15 days to serve with credit for any time served. Case ending 8033C. Simple battery, family violence, 12 months probation, 12 anger management. Courses, 90 days to serve, credit for any time already served. Stay away from 3072 Washington Avenue. No further contact with Aquinas Barber. That would be it from the state. Thank you.
Would you spell that?
Barber is the last name. First name is Aquiannis.
Thank you. Have everything you need, Ms. Grace? Okay. And, Mr. White, I will suspend the $300 fine for the obstruction.
And Your Honor, if we could get 4 months in fee waivers, give her enough time to get everything. She does have one other case that she hasn't been out, that she took probation on too, so she's got quite a bit to do, so.
Okay. Ms. Hubbard, if there's nothing further, counsel, Ms. Hubbard, it's my understanding that in case 25 CR 00766HC, you wish to plead guilty to willful obstruction of law enforcement officers and criminal trespass. And in case 25 CR 008033, you wish to plead guilty to simple battery, family violence. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at the present time?
No, sir.
You've been represented by counsel. Are you satisfied with his representation?
You satisfied with my heart?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and that by pleading guilty to them, you're giving up that right?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced you or coerced you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept your pleas. Ms. Hubbard, for the obstruction, I will suspend the $300 fine. I'll accept the rest of the negotiated plea there. I'll waive 4 months of your probation fees to help you get on your feet. And when you complete the terms of the probation, I'll have it go to a non-reporting status. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
So I do my time.
Yeah, still.
So the 2
Yeah.
Okay.
I lied the first 2 times. Okay.
Yeah.
Ms. Strong, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
What was the announcement on Mr. Murphy?
We still haven't heard anything back.
Okay, so courtroom 2, it looks like Mr. Murphy is not going to join us today. We'll reset all of his cases until next Tuesday.
Okay.
And I believe that Mr. Murphy was the only, all of his cases are the only ones that were left. Is that right?
Correct.
Okay.
Did we determine if he represents number 32 Robinson? I believe Mr. White said that it says conflict, but we weren't sure which conflict attorney it was.
I was just going to assign him to Mr. Murphy because no one's name was beside it.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and someone was inquiring about Amy Ogletree earlier. That case is going to be reset until next Tuesday. You'll get notification as well if you're a victim in the matter.
She got out, Jen.
Oh, she left. Okay. Let's see. We still have the bench warrant calendar, so we'll wait on that. Ms. Rainford, can we go over the
Yes, Your Honor,
calendar?
we're ready for that.
Oh, okay, very good. Let's see, is Ms. Sierra Shabazz back on the line with me?
Yes, I am.
Okay, if you'll come on camera for me, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second.
Yes, Good morning, ma'am. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the DV bench warrant calendar. Let's see, Ms. Spear, I take it that Ms. Sierra Shabazz missed the court date. Is that correct?
Yeah, she missed plea and arraignment on, I believe it was October 13th in front of Judge Porter.
Ms. Rainford?
Yes, Your Honor. After speaking with our client, she relayed to me that it was transferred, so she never got the notice in the mail, Your Honor. We do have a good address for her. We can double check to make sure that you all have that same address, and then I would be asking for the bench warrant to be set aside.
What address did the notice go to, Ms. Spear?
I believe it's 474 Lakeside.
That's wrong.
So the correct address, Your Honor, is 424 Lake Ridge Lane. Lake and Ridge are two separate words. Lane, another word.
Let me just check real quick to make sure that I said that right, because my handwriting is subpar. Yeah, 424 Lake Ridge Lane, Fairborn, 302.
That's what I just posted in there. That's the right address.
That's the address it went to, ma'am.
Yeah, I didn't get that in the mail. That's why I had to go to the courthouse to make sure that you guys had me transferred. That's how I found all of this stuff out today. Is I was proactive and came out there to you guys and asked, did you receive the transfer case?
Miss Carmen, it's okay. Let's just handle it right here. I'll relay what you need me to relay, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I appreciate you being proactive. Ms. Sierra Shabazz. It's my normal practice that if you miss one court date, that I'll set aside the bench warrant. So I'll do that for you as I would do for anyone. Please make sure to keep in touch with the court so that you don't miss any other court dates before Judge Porter. Okay. But
Okay.
We'll set this one aside, and we've got your proper address, so you should be able to get the notice. Okay.
Yes.
If nothing further, good luck to you, ma'am. You have a happy new year.
So is no date that can be given to me? I have
No,
to
ma'am.
just keep
That's
checking the mail.
Yes, and that's with Judge Porter's courtroom, so she'll be sending out your next hearing date.
Okay.
You can also check out the county website, the state court county website every couple of weeks too. They should be posting notices as well.
So, okay, because I need more information. That's what happened. This was, if their court date wasn't until October, that was months and months later. I got to check that mail every day. You guys know people be in their mail. Okay.
Well, you should be getting a proper notice by mail, ma'am. So,
okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
What he's saying is that out of an abundance of caution, if you haven't heard anything, just go ahead and make sure that
every couple of weeks.
Can somebody drop that site in that chat really quick? Or just tell me what the site is so I can know where to go?
Fulton County government website. It'd be easy on the Google search.
County. Is this the actual website?
Miss Shabazz, I'll send it to you an email.
Are you a normal attorney? Like, do you represent people as an attorney? Could you continue with me with this if I were to pay you to be my attorney to make sure I get this court date to avoid this in the future? I don't mind paying for your services.
No, we work with the public defender's office. We don't do that. If you want to hire a private counsel, you can absolutely do that.
If I hire an attorney, would my attorney have?
Can I finish? There are also very highly qualified attorneys in our office that would be assigned to that court that could help you as well. So it's your call.
I need an attorney because I need somebody to check in on them court calendars while I'm working every day.
Okay, you can go ahead and apply for a public defender in today. Like, you can call a public defender's office today. It may be a little easier after the first of the year.
Okay.
Right. But go ahead and get that process started if you want to do it that way. Okay.
Okay. And I'll do it that way because those people, they have access to look at that to make sure they get the dates.
They do, but we need to move on. Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. Have a happy holiday, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay. You as well, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Are we ready to go over the calendar?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, Ms. Graves.
Okay. DV calendar was reset further notice. Position number 1, reset 1/6 along with position number 2, 1/6/26 SAP. Position 3, reset jail jury. Position 4, reset jail jury. Position 5, 6, and 7 were pleas. Position 8, 9, reset jail jury. Position 10, reset January 13th, 26. Position 11, 12, position 11, reset jail jury. Position 12, reset January the 6th. Position 13 was a plea. Position 14, reset January the 15th. Position 15, reset jail jury. Position 16 was a plea. Position 17, 18, and 19 reset January the 6th. Position 20 was a plea. Position 21, 22 were pleas. Position 23 was a plea. Position 24, reset jail jury. Position 25, reset January the 6th. Position 26, reset jail jury. Position 27 was a plea. Position 28 and 29, reset further notice, the defendant was released. Position 30 and 31 were pleas. Position 32, reset January the 6th. Position 33 was a plea. Position 34 was a plea. Position 35 and 36, reset jail jury. Position 37 was a plea. Position 38 was a plea. Position 39, reset January 26th. Position 40, reset jail jury. Position 41 was a plea. Position 42 was a plea. Position 43 was non-pros. Position 44 was a plea. Position 45 was non-pros. Position 46 was a plea. Position 47 was non-pros. Position 48 and 49 reset jail jury. Any questions or concerns or comments?
Okay, if not, you all have a safe, new year. I will see you next Tuesday.